Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. Today, you've asked for it. That's right. Today, I'm going to give you Johnny's Tennessee Sweet Tea. Here are the ingredients. This is a very simple tea, packed with flavor. Love it. Gotta have that red diamond. It's super simple. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, guys. First things first, you're going to add a quart of water to a pot. Sounds hard, right? No, super simple, guys. Just keeping it simple. Guys, next step, once it starts to boil, get hot, you're going to add in 2 of these red diamond tea bags. What makes red diamond tea so good? It's orange piquoy tea and black tea together. That's right. The flavor is an amazing, unique flavor that we just love. Get those in there, put a cover on it to keep it from evaporating. Now we're going to add our brown sugar and our white granulated sugar to another pan and start to melt this down. That's right, we're melting our sugar for this recipe. It's something that a lot of people don't do, but it's a step that I love to do. Makes it so much better. Trust the process, guys. Just let this melt down. As you can see, it's starting to do here. You're gonna wanna keep stirring it. Once it's got a syrupy texture like this right here, that's what you're looking for. Go ahead and remove it. All right, guys, your tea is ready. What do? Take out your tea bags and squeeze them puppies. Squeeze them out. Get all of that liquid out of there. You want all of this flavor in your tea. That's right. I'm going to speed it up here for you guys. Just squeeze it. Yeah, buddy. All right. Now that we got that done, guys, we're going to come in and add our sugar syrup mix. Put that in there. That's going to almost instantaneously evaporate into the liquid. Follow it up with your lemon juice and give this a good stir. Yeah, stir it all in there. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring, guys. And now you're going to want to taste it. It's going to taste bitter at this step, guys, but go ahead and add an extra ½ cup of sugar and stir it. That's right. Even now, it will still be bitter, guys. That's because it's only in a quart of water. Trust the process. Now, taste it again. It's going to taste a little less bitter, but still bitter. This is what you're looking for. Put a lid on it and let that cool. Now, take you 3 quarts of water and add in your last quart of water to equal a gallon of sweet tea, baby. That's right. Go ahead and stir this. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Come on in, stir it up. I don't know why I do that every time, guys, but this is what you're looking for. Taste it, and that's going to give you the best sweet tea you've ever had in your life. I'm telling you. Put the lid on it, throw it in the refrigerator, and chill it. That's right, guys. Look, I can't even get a glass. That's right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. This is the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. Hope you enjoy. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.